Hi, I'm Charles Lewton-Brain, and we're here at the Metalworks Studios in Waltham, Massachusetts, and we're going to be talking about changing a commercial forging hammer to make it useful for fold forming. Most of the hammers that you buy come straight across from the manufacturer, and if you try and use it like that, you're going to damage your metal and you're not going to have successful results. In fact, this is the most frequent email I get, the most frequent communication about problems with fold forming is that the hammer isn't working for them. But I'm now going to mount this and I'll show you how we can use this tool to smooth the surface. And it gives a great noise. We now have a highly polished, well, not quite highly polished, but a highly smoothed steel surface. I'm just going to compare with what we started with, and we started with a hammer that was straight across, and now this hammer is rounded, smoothed, about half of it is flattish, and on the corners, each corner about 25% is rounded off. Gentle.